Good morning, guys. I have another DIY for you. I made this, look, it's a pure orange serum. I have a bunch of orange peel and I dry it, and then after I dry it, I blend the powder and I add the rose water. And the powder, I soak it like overnight with the water or rose powder, and then after that I strain it, and this is what it come out. It's a pure orange. See? Yeah, I've been using it to my face. It looks like it's clearing up, and I still have a long ways to go with all my dark spots, but you know, this is, I just put this in a bottle. I have this in bottle like the Smashbox Primer oil. Yeah, I just use this, but it's very good. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.